No, sir, sorry, please. No. Please.
You have to turn around.
No, sir, sorry, please.
Turn around.
But I forgot a pay. I told you.
Okay, we'll talk about it. Turn around.
No, sir. I told you I forgot. Sorry, but I pay. I pay for you. I'm sorry.
Okay, we'll
Please, just one. Forgive me, please, sir. Please.
turn around.
Please, sir.
Turn around.
No, sir, please. Sir, please.
I don't have an option right now. Okay, let me put you in handcuffs and I'll further discuss
No, no,
this.
sir.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম সম্মানিত দর্শক, আজকে আপনাদেরকে দেখাবো এমন একটি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ভিডিও যে ভিডিওটি দেখলে রীতিমতো অবাক হবেন। চাঞ্চল্যকর অবস্থা সৃষ্টি হয়েছে, নেট দুনিয়ায় তোলপাড়, সামাজিক যোগাযোগ মাধ্যমে ভাইরাল। দর্শক, যুক্তরাষ্ট্রে সুপার শপে চুরি করতে গিয়ে ধরা পড়লেন এক ভারতীয় নারী। দর্শক, বিস্তারিত দেখতে পারবেন এই ভিডিওতে, তাই এক সেকেন্ডও না টেনে পুরো ভিডিওটি দেখবেন। চ্যানেলে নতুন হলে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবেন পরবর্তী আপডেট পাওয়ার জন্য। ভিডিওতে একটি লাইক করে দেখতে থাকুন সম্পূর্ণ ভিডিওটি।
Please.
I don't have an option right now. Okay, let me put you in handcuffs and I'll further discuss
No, no,
this.
sir, please.
Okay?
Please
I don't
forgive
have
me.
an option.
Sorry, sir. I pay for you. I'm sorry. I'm forgot. Sorry, sir, please.
Turn around.
Sorry, sir. No, no, sir, sorry,
You
please.
don't want to do this. Come on.
No, no,
Turn
sorry,
around.
please. No.
Okay? You're going to be placed in the handcuffs, okay?
Sorry, sir, please. Sorry, please.
This isn't going to go anywhere. You can keep saying sorry, but it's not going to change it.
No, no,
Okay?
sorry,
It's going
please.
over with. Okay? You have to turn
Sorry,
around.
please. No. No, sir, sorry.
You have to turn around.
No, sir, please.
You have to turn around.
No, sir,
You don't want to
sir,
make
sorry.
you don't want to make this worse. Okay? Turn around.
No, sir, sorry, please. No.
Okay, sit down. Have a seat. Have a seat.
Yes.
Sit down. Sit down.
Sorry.
Sit down. Okay? Sit down.
You about it, okay? I just have to search you.
Ma'am, please. No, ma'am. No, ma'am, please. No, ma'am. No, ma'am, please. Please, ma'am. No, ma'am, please.
Well, there actions have consequences, so stand up. I'm gonna have to
No, ma'am.
search
No,
you.
ma'am. No, no, ma'am, please.
122, 5109, and stuff that
You have to
mark.
cooperate with us, okay?
No, ma'am.
You have to make this easier.
No.
Okay.
It looks
You're
better
gonna
when
be
you
placed in custody,
cooperate.
like I said.
No, ma'am.
It's better if you cooperate. If everything's recorded, so if you cooperate with us, it might be better for you, okay? So stand up so I can search you, okay?
601 North Park Hill, Dick's Sporting Goods.
Either way you're going, so you have to cooperate with us.
30s, white undershirt, headphones.
No, you cannot talk to your husband.
You're playing
Okay?
like double tag.
You're
Right now you're not able to,
Black
okay?
Honda, unknown speed, west and eastbound, highway.
okay. Stand up. Stand up.
No, ma'am.
Hey,
Stand up.
come on.
Stand up.
You're gonna have to get up.
You have to get up.
Come on.
You have to get up.
Either way you're going.
You have to get up. You have to get up.
Sorry, ma'am. That's a
Okay.
private, ma'am.
You-
No,
Alright, come on, get up.
You have to get up.
22, caller the
Where I go?
manager.
To the police station.
Why?
You're going to be released from the police station.
Why?
Okay?
How long?
A couple hours.
Why? And then?
And then you're released. And then that's it. So the faster we do this, the faster you get out.
With my husband, sir.
What do you mean with your
My
husband?
husband. I want my husband, sir.
You can't talk to your husband. You're under arrest. We're going to transport you to the police department, do some paperwork, and then you get released from the police department. And that's it. So the faster we do this, the faster you can get out.
And you can talk to your husband
Nothing's
after
going to
the
change.
station.
Okay? So that's all we're waiting on. Okay? Thank
Hey.
you. All right. Can you turn around?
Can I talk with her?
No, you cannot talk to him.
Okay?
Never 50, 100, you can call here and send us vehicle.
প্রিয় দর্শক, সম্পূর্ণ ভিডিওটি দেখলেন, অবশ্যই বুঝতে পেরেছেন ভিডিওটি গুরুত্বপূর্ণ ছিল। দর্শক, এই ভিডিওতে যে তথ্যগুলো আপনারা পেয়েছেন এ বিষয়ে আপনাদের মূল্যবান মতামত অবশ্যই কমেন্টে জানাবেন এবং পরবর্তী আপডেট ভিডিওগুলো সবার আগে পেতে চ্যানেলটিকে এখনই সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখুন। এই মুহূর্তে বিদায় নিচ্ছি, দেখা হবে পরবর্তী কোনো ভিডিওতে। সে পর্যন্ত ভালো থাকুন, সুস্থ থাকুন। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।